Good morning. I hope you slept well and you're feeling good. So it's 7 a.m. and we just gotta double up our crunches. So if you did 200 yesterday, you're gonna do 400 right now real quick. And then we're gonna do our main workout later. Now, after school or work or right after this video, you're gonna go and you're gonna do about an hour of some cardio. After this workout, I'm gonna go for a 60-minute bike ride. And that's gonna be my cardio for the day. And then we're gonna hit it hard and make sure you drink your water. This is my first water. So, first drink of the day. All right, let's get these crunches done. And then it's our last day, so hang in there today. And then tomorrow we're gonna take it easy and just do some nice mellow things on our day off. And then we're gonna hit it hard with the chest workouts for 3 days straight. All right, let's get these crunches done real quick. Oh.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't want to be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me.
There's the first 100.
I'll make a decision if I want some peace or
I'll give you guys a different angle. But keep going if you want. Or you can take a quick break too.
Just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 Appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. Never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement.
200.
There's no replacement. In this life, I wanna be soaring.
Get the yawn out of you. Take a couple breaths.
I'm so sick of my mind's extortion.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice.
Perfect way to start your morning.
My whole life I
Let's get another 100 done.
wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
300. Here's my air compressor, you can probably hear. I can hear my mic tires. Go and stretch a little bit. So it's 300. Put your back up. Back down. Alright, let's finish this last set.
About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Alright, beautiful way to start the morning. Alright, so I'm gonna go for a quick bike ride right now, get my 16 minutes of cardio out of the way. And if you're busy right now, make sure you get it in right when you finish what you're doing. And then tonight we're gonna meet up earlier, not at 9 o'clock. We're gonna meet up at 7 o'clock tonight, alright? And we're gonna skip the 4 o'clock workout and hit it hard right at 7. Alright, see you guys at 7. Bye.